15-year-old girl lost her life on the streets of London while going to school in a stabbing incident in Croydon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 15-year-old girl has been killed on her way to school after being stabbed in Croydon, South London early this morning. Police cars and ambulance surround a red double-decker bus near the Whitgift Centre following the attack around 8:30 a.m. A boy aged 17 believed to be known to the victim was arrested after the girl died at around 9:21 a.m. A statement from Old Palace of John Whitgift School said that it was deeply shocked. The private girls' school in Croydon said that the victim was much loved and valued by friends and pupils. Met Police Captain Superintendent Andy Britton said that the attack was every parent's worst nightmare.
This is every parent's worst nightmare, and I know the officers who responded this morning, along with our emergency service colleagues, are devastated at the victim's death. This is an emotion I share, and I know people across Croydon will be feeling the same. The victim's family has been informed, and our thoughts are with them at what must be an incredibly difficult time. We carried out urgent inquiries to find the suspect, and within 75 minutes of the incident happening, a 17-year-old boy was arrested in New Addington. He remains in custody and will be questioned by detectives.
A bus driver and a passerby tried desperately to save the teenage girl's life after she was stabbed while on her way to school in South London. The pair were seen trying to resuscitate the 15-year-old girl on the pavement in Wellesley Road in the Croydon area after the horror unfolded in the morning rush hour on Wednesday. The Mayor of London, Sadiq Khan, said he was absolutely devastated and heartbroken at the news of the girl's passing. Emergency services were called to Wellesley Road in Croydon at around 8:30 a.m. this morning of reports of a stabbing incident. Both the land and air ambulance attended, but she was pronounced dead at around 50 minutes later on the scene. Around an hour and 50 minutes after the stabbing, police arrested a teenage boy in connection with the girl's death. A spokesperson for the London Ambulance Service confirmed that 3 ambulance crews, an incident response officer, an advanced paramedic in a car, as well as an air ambulance were sent to the scene. A large police cordon was put in place outside the Whitgift Centre, with a red double-decker bus on Route 60 and a number of police cars cordoned off the area. The attack is believed to not have happened on the bus. Forensic officers and dog handler were working at the scene as the police investigation continues. Witnesses are being urged to provide information to the police which they believe can assist in the investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with latest information to come on this. And we at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to send our heartfelt and sincere condolences to the family of this 15-year-old girl.